Okay, let's dive into this explainer. Just a couple of weeks ago, Anthropic dropped Claude Design, and honestly, it kind of broke the internet. Suddenly, people were shipping these interactive prototypes in literally seconds. But as we all found out, there was a massive catch. So today, we're unpacking the ultimate solution, open design. We're going to look at exactly how to install, set up, and just completely unleash this powerful, free, local AI design alternative right on your own machine.
Here is our roadmap for today. 1. The closed ecosystem problem. 2. A step-by-step installation guide. 3. Integrating local AI models. 4. Building the landing page. And 5. The final output. Section 1. The closed ecosystem problem. And this brilliantly illustrates the real issue here. Claude Design is absolutely fantastic, right? But it's cloud only. You're completely locked into Anthropic's models, their rules, and of course, their subscription fees. If that subscription ends, poof, your access vanishes. Plus, you can't even export to highly requested formats like PowerPoint or video. Open Design completely flips this on its head. It is local first. It's a bring-your-own-model ecosystem, which means you aren't tied to any single provider. It operates under an Apache 2.0 license, giving you absolute freedom for commercial use with zero restrictions. So, instead of being stuck in a walled garden, you get total freedom in 6 different export formats. Real game changer. Section 2, Step-by-Step Installation Guide. Okay, so to get started, your system just needs 4 essential software prerequisites ready to go. First up, you need an integrated development environment. VS Code is highly recommended and widely used, but, just use your preferred IDE. Second, you gotta install Node.js. Third, you'll need Git to pull down the repository. And fourth, you're gonna want a coding agent command line interface, or CLI, installed. We're using Claude Code as our base here, but you absolutely have options. Honestly, it's just a really smart habit to run quick check commands in your terminal for Node, Git, and your CLI, just to ensure your system is completely ready to go before we jump to the next step. So once those prerequisites are confirmed, the actual installation is just incredibly straightforward. Open up your terminal and pop in these exact commands. First, type git clone, followed by the Open Design GitHub repository link. This pulls the entire project structure right to your machine, and it usually only takes, maybe 30 to 40 seconds? Next, type cd Open Design to jump right into that new project folder. Now, Open Design uses a really fast package manager called pnpm. So you'll run pnpm install to grab all those dependencies, and then pnpm build. Finally, just hit it with the start command, pnpm start, and that is literally it. You clone the repo, install the packages, and launch the interface in well under a minute. Let's move to section 3 and see how this builds into integrating local AI models. Now, this is the part that's just a massive game changer. Open Design doesn't replace your existing AI coding agents, it actually supercharges them by acting as a beautiful visual layer on top. The system automatically detects up to 15 available coding CLIs you might already be running. Tools like Cursor, Gemini CLI, Claude Code, Codex, and OpenCode, they all just plug in seamlessly, straight out of the box. You just select your preferred model, let your trusted local setup do all the heavy lifting in the background, and Open Design provides the highly functional visual interface. Section 4. Building the landing page. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how flexible the prompt interface actually is. It is definitely not just a standard text box. You can drop and paste inspiration images directly into the prompt to give the AI an exact visual guide. Plus, by typing the @ symbol, you can attach specific files right from your project folder to give it perfect context. And hey, if you don't want to start from scratch, Open Design gives you these awesome built-in starters tailored to specific project types. Quick tip here, select the SaaS Analytics Dashboard Starter if you're building data-heavy grid-based web apps, or go with the Editorial Pitch Deck if your goal is something highly visual and narrative-driven. It's literally designed to speed up your workflow from the very first click. So for our demonstration today, we're going to start fresh with a really specific goal in mind. Here is the exact prompt we used. Build me a landing page for an AI productivity tool called Focus Flow. We're keeping it super direct, highly focused, and we're aiming for a high-fidelity, completely fleshed-out website output here, not just some basic wireframe. The second you hit send on that prompt, Open Design doesn't just randomly guess what you want. Instead, it hits you with a quick 30-second setup brief to really lock in your specific parameters. This is absolutely crucial because it removes that ambiguity that normally ruins AI outputs. In our brief, we selected an Apple-inspired design system to guide the aesthetic, which is just one of 71 baked-in brands they have available. We set the primary surface to desktop web, making sure it's responsive across all sizes. For the visual tone, we went with modern minimal. Then we fine-tuned the color mode to an Apple style mixed with linear Vercel colors, just to give it that really sleek, modern tech feel. And finally, we told it to generate realistic copy, totally avoiding that absolutely dreaded lorem ipsum filler text we've all stared at a million times during wireframing.
Section 5, the final output. So the crucial point is right here. 5 minutes, $1.20. That is the astoundingly low cost and incredibly fast turnaround time it took to generate a completely clean, feature-complete website. I mean, for less than the price of a cup of coffee, this tool emulated our exact requested color palette, built out proper feature sections, created style buttons, and generated completely realistic copy. When you compare that to traditional development cycles or those crazy expensive subscription models, the return on investment here is just absolutely staggering. And because we're working in an open source, local first environment, you have ultimate control over the final product. The massive advantage here is the export flexibility. You can deploy directly to Vercel with a single click, export the raw code to HTML or Markdown, or just package the whole thing up as a PDF or zip file for your stakeholders. And unlike those locked-down cloud platforms, you can even export your interactive designs directly into a PowerPoint presentation or an MP4 video file. Being able to just hand off a video of the user flow is a huge win. We've seen how surprisingly simple it is to escape the walled gardens of those closed ecosystems and set up a seriously powerful, open-source alternative right on your own desktop. By layering this visual design engine over the local AI models you already trust, the friction between having an idea and having a deployable product basically just disappears. So, here's my challenge to you. Install the tool, break free from the restrictions, and answer me this. With an open-source design engine running locally on your machine, what are you going to build next?